Ang mga slogan ng mga human rights ngayon, my body, my choice. Kung ano ang gusto naming gender, kung gusto kong kung gusto kong patanggal at mag-iba ng gender ang aking katawan, karapatan ko to. Ang human rights activists ngayon is pushing their personal ideologies rather than a fight for noble justice. Ang Bible is very clear. When you love somebody, it is tantamount that you will say the truth, even though it hurts. It's no longer fight for justice. It's a fight for preference. Ang pinaglalaban mo na yung gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. It's no longer a fight for moral value. Hindi na to laban na yung isang tao ay nade-deprive ng kanyang rights. Wala na po tayo sa panahon na yun. Nasa panahon na tayo that we have an equal rights to the law. Binigyan ka na ng karapatan mabuhay, binigyan ka niya ng karapatan to survive. But it is a fight to make immoral practice legal. Don't fall short on the standard of God. Dahil ang Panginoon, marami pang prepare sa iyo when you will just level up, when you will just grow up, when you will just live up to His glorious standards. Ang kaligayahan na akala mo kayang ibigay ng mundo, doble at higit pa ang kayang ibigay ng Panginoon. Ang yaman na akala mo makukuha mo sa mundo, when you know Jesus Christ, when you live on His standards, hihigitan niya pa ang pangarap mo. Babaguhin niya ang buhay mo. You will never worry anymore. That's the life that God wants for you.